So what is up guys? So today we are finally here sa among hotel. There is a Grand Sunrise Hotel. There is a Danang, Vietnam. And after a very long wait sa biyahe, sa pag-check-in, it was really a hard day for us, especially wala mi tulog. And I think so far so good, the place is worth it. And mind you, grabe ka barato. And so far po sa among palibot dire, and we've really seen nga grabe ka hinlo so far sa area. So mura siya og BGC ang datingan dito from the airport to diri sa sa ilahang hotel nga area. Dagan pud kaunan, dagan mga bibo diri nga side. So basin mas bibo pagit sa mga adtuan later on. So kita kits, bye-bye. So guys, we're now going to try one of their food here. What Jelly has is this one. I think only siya ang best seller. Pho. Good. Special pho. Special beef noodles, soup, and chicken. So what's unique is the side dish, which is the different herbs. I think it's mixture of lettuce, cabbage, and
spring sprouts.
Sprouts, something. Tastes good. Bye.
So there you go.
What is up guys? So today we've already checked out sa Golden Sunrise ng hotel, and we're now planning to go to Hoi An for our next adventure, which is the Hoi An Asian Town. So currently we're here at the beach, beside the beach, and it's really nice here because daghan kaayo tenant. Mura siya Manila Bay ang approach, pero mas luag dito nga side sa walkway. Then daghan kay tenant, mga resto, and diri pod sa ilang mga karaan and mga well-established na nga mga hotel dito sa Vietnam. So see you guys later. Bye-bye.
Where are you?
Hi guys. So today we're here at the Ceramic Heritage Museum, where we can see different aged or different generations of ceramic products here in Vietnam, and we can also see this pirate ship.
Museum of Ceramic.
Museum of Ceramic.
Trade Ceramic. How's your new hat?
Nice ka akong hat.
So where are we now?
We're in Asian Town. We just finished watching the performance of the cultural heritage of Vietnam people. It was really nice, though we don't understood anything, but it's good. So now we're gonna proceed to the other spot. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So as I was saying, we're now going to the next stop, another site to visit here in the Asian Town. So see you later. Hi guys. So we're finally here at Hoi An River for the lantern lighting. So luckily ni undang ang ulan kay ganina. Nag-ulan na jud, then the moment nga sakay mi medyo ni lesson din andun sa nawala ang ulan. And it's really fun and we're really blessed. So naapa mi balikan pod nga palitonon kay nagbilin mi. And we're having dinner later on. And that's it for today. Today is October 19. So see you guys tomorrow for more adventure here in Vietnam. Bye. Good morning guys. So today it's our third day. Technically third day here in Vietnam, and we're now going to we just had our breakfast and we're now going to a basket boat ride at Coconut Forest. So pick up me sa driver sa hotel mismo, and the breakfast was quite a lot because there is buffet of fruits and napay free coffee and bread and at least no rice, pero ako kung ikaw is lugaw murag lugaw siya nga ano gyapon with herbs. So just waiting for the driver kay napay gikuha gihapitan, then we'll continue traveling directly na dayon sa ano basket boat ride at Coconut Forest. So see you guys later, bye-bye.
Yo, asa ka padulong yo.
Napatuloy namin sa basket boat ride sa Coconut Bay.
Taran!
Ay, dali siya.
Paspas kay si Uncle. Okay.
La 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 la. Yeah.
Qua chắc cứu luôn á.
Ấy.
Biết.
Yeah.
Quen chưa? Ủa vô đó.
Philippines.
À, biết luôn á. Manila.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Rồi mới dẫn ra canh đi cho vui vui kiếm thời gian.
Nước lánh đỏ đúng này.
Taas po. Taas, taas.
Nagkakindog po ba? Nagkakaport po din ha.
Drink na.
Yeah. Wow. Như chỗ cho bay nó delay. Hello. Ấy.
Qua đầu xuống là lò với móc rồi mà.
À. Đi cho móc luôn không?
Nagkakindog ano.
Go go go. La 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 la.
Ay, siya na. Sandali.
Ê, amigo, cha 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 cha.
Yeah 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 yeah.
Okay. Okay. Hindi ka nagtatawag sa balik.
Để rồi lẹ.
Chuyện gió rồi, không còn đâu.
Hi, you enjoying so far?
Yes. What is up, guys? So today we're almost over with our trip sa Coconut Forest sa basket boat, and it's really nice. Sobra ka sulit, nice kayang area, grabe ka refreshing pamati on there, especially there around sa coconuts. And I think we're gonna have our lunch later on, a few minutes from now. Bye.
Sana napagod. Dili, no? How was it? Yeah! Today we're wearing the traditional clothing of Vietnamese
Vietnamese people.
Yes.
So soft in the skin. Char.
Yes, tsada siya sa skin.
Puro pajama nga nipis.
Yes. And guess what? Guess what? Unsay size ani kung na ako sa Vietnam. Ang isuot karon is 3XL. Kaya wala sila ilahang small and large and 2XL and the rest of the sizes kay grabe ka. Gagmay. So yun. And now, since tsada ang panahon buyag.
Hello. You want to have a look? Many women. Have a look. Copy.
Palito mong tagikan.
Picture ka daw.
Quay đằng sau cười. Đường về nhà mình cũng đường này cũng full work. Bán tôi cái này.
What's that? Unsa man na siya?
What's a grilled pork?
Yeah, this is squid.
Octopus.
Squid.
Octopus.
Ay, octopus.
Video.
Unsa na, bro?
Millionaire move.